Alright, today we're going to set up a React application in repl and connect it to a Git repository. So first thing to do is go to repl, and then we're just going to make a new repl, and we're going to type in create React app. It's a template that allows us to create React apps quickly. And then you could go ahead and name it. I'm just going to give it the random name. And it'll take a second to initialize the project, to download the files and the npm packages. React uses Node.js to handle all the JavaScript, storing all those packages in what's called node modules, installing using npm, which is the node package manager. And it also hides a lot of the configuration from us, so we can just worry about the code. So in the package.json file on the left that was created, you'll see that we have React, React DOM, and React scripts already loaded for us. And if we hit run, it's going to load index.js, which in turn is going to load the app component, which was made in app.js. And later we'll make a lot of changes. For now, let's just see what happens when we hit start. It's going to start the development server, which is just a way to serve the files here on our computer. And it should pop up any minute now. Okay, and then we refresh, and look at that. There is our app.js. So it says right here, edit source app.js. So I'm going to change it to be I edited source app.js, and it'll auto reload for us. Super nice. So that's our little app there. Let's go ahead and connect this to a Git repository. On the left, you'll have a version control, and that's the little thing that looks like a fork, like a GitHub fork, and we're going to create a Git repository. And it's going to load in a second. And then we're going to connect to GitHub. And I'm just going to keep the name of the thing. This is the description of the repository. We're going to make it public. And then it's going to create a repository for us and keep track of our commits or our versions of our code. So if we ever need to go back to a previous version, we can, and it's there. And we'll be able to track our files and also be able to access our Git repository anywhere we need to that has Git. Okay, so it's been up to date with master. We can go to our GitHub page, check our repositories, and look, and there is our repl repository with the README and everything. Okay. So hope that helps you get your first project set up. Next video, we'll go over how to make changes in the React app.